children, welcome to English class. Children, before starting our class, I will explain you children, we have to do activity and project work. Okay children, I will explain you what all you have to do in your reflection and project work. In A4 size paper only you have to do. Okay children?
Yes children, you have to take a A4 size paper children. Okay, FA3 activity and project work. You can write the heading, name you have to write. Okay, class 2nd, subject English. This is for 10 marks children. Okay, all should write this paper neatly. Write the heading reflection. Question number 1, add a telling part to each of the following. So here I have given A bit Rani. You have to add a telling part here. Okay children, line is given, no, there you have to write. B bit they. With they is naming part, you have to write the telling part. Fine children, now let us come to bit number 2 children. Write 2 words that rhyme with word boat. Okay children, you have to write 2 words with the word should rhyme with the word given here, boat. Okay, and then third one, use the given letters and make 4 words. Here letters are given, with these letters you have to make any 4 words. Okay children, this is our reflection. Do it neatly in A4 size paper. Now children, take another paper. In another paper you have to write heading as project work children. Okay, and then here what you have to do, frame questions using words what, where, why, when, which. Okay, these are the 5 question words. You have to frame questions. Write the answer for your question and stick or draw related picture. Children, here example I have given. You can do in this way children. See children, I have taken where question word. Where are you going? Answer will be I am going to school, or I am going to market, or I am going to garden. Anything you can write, and then you have to stick the picture or draw the picture like this. Okay children, this is for example I have given. Again you have to make a question with the question word where. Okay children, this is example I have given. Write neatly in A4 size papers and get good marks. Okay children, now let us start our class.
Yes children, what all activity and project work I have shown you, please do it in the A4 size paper neatly and submit on the given dates. Yeah, dates will be given to you. Children, I want all 2nd class children to come and hand over your papers. Okay, parents, please see that your child completes all the activity and project work and submit when the date is given to you. Okay, thank you so much. Now children, let us come to our English class. We are in block 12, text to world connections. Okay, lesson number 4 is words with AR. Today we are going to learn about AR words. Let us see what are the key words. Star, far, jar, car, farm, arm, mart, tart, park, dark, bark. These are the keywords of the lesson children.
Yes children, now all of you all open your English reader page number 81. Phonics rhyme. All time rhymes. Twinkle twinkle little star, why do you shine so far? I have a star on this jar and a star on my car, but you are brighter than they are. Twinkle twinkle little star. Children, what we have learnt in our your nursery classes children, that rhyme is different and this rhyme is different children. Okay, so read this once again. We will read this children, old rhymes only, but they have changed. Okay, twinkle twinkle little star, why do you shine so far? I have a star on this jar and a star on my car, but you are brighter than they are. Twinkle twinkle little star. Now in this poem you have to underline AR, words with AR. Okay children, I will not do this time, you have to do. Okay, Yes, children, now one more rhyme is there here. Let us see. Old MacDonald had a farm. He pulled his cart with just one arm. He pulled his cart to the mart to sell his crops and buy a tart. Okay, children, this is also old rhyme only, but here we have the changed one. Okay. Old MacDonald had a farm. He pulled his cart with just one arm. He pulled his cart to the mart to sell his crops and buy a tart. Now, what you have to do, children, you have to underline the words with AR. Okay. Take pencil and underline. Yes, children, now let us read Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went to the park to play before it got dark. They heard a big dog bark and bark, and they ran out of the park. Again, children, once again. Jack and Jill went to the park to play before it got dark. They heard a big dog bark and bark, and they ran out of the park. In this poem also, in this rhyme also, you have to underline the words with AR. Okay, children?
Yes, children, in our rhymes in the reader, we have learned three rhymes, children. Okay, in those rhymes we have AR words. Yes, AR words. Now here we will sort them according to the last ending letters, children. Okay, first we have AR, then we are having words with ARM, then we are having ART, then ARK. So what are the words ending with AR? Star, far, jar, scar. Like this you have to sort the words. Okay. ARM. Oh, farm, arm. Yes, here the words are ending with ARM. Next, ART. Mart, cart, tart. Okay. ARK. Park, dark, bark. Okay, children, like this you have to sort the words.
Yes, children, now all of you all open your workbook, children, page number 23. Write the date, children. Okay. S for words with AR. Sort the AR words and fill in the table. So, what are the words? Let us read, children. Car, bark, harm, start, dart, hard, mark, charge, star, farm, part, charm, cart, scar, park, tar, arm, dark, large, smart. Now what we have to do? We have to sort the words according to the letters given here. Already I have shown you on the board, children. So according to the letters given here, AR, we have to sort the words ARM, ART, ARK. Okay, children, from the top box we have to sort. So here one they have written for us. Okay, children, car. So CAR, AR words we have to write. Star, scar, tar. ARM, harm, farm, arm, charm. ART, start, dart, part, smart. ARK, dark, bark, mark, park. Now children, this after this sorting, let us come to the question number 2. Which words did not fit into any of the columns? Sort them and fill in the table below. Now there are some words which we did not write in the columns given because they were not matching in the column here. Okay, children, here AR, ARM, ART, ARK. These are ARGE words. Let us see, and we have to write here. And here ARD. So from the words given on the top, children, from those words we have to write these words. Okay, children. So what we have to write? LARGE, large. CHARGE, charge. Here we have to write HARD, hard. CARD, card. Like this we have to sort the words, children. Okay, write neatly in your workbook, children. Sort the words and write neatly. Okay, children. Thank you children. Meet you in the next class.